Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to unbox and give an overview of this Black & Decker 20 volt lithium ion drill/driver. And the model number on this one is LDX120C. But before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. And make sure that you read through any information on the box or any information that comes inside of the box before you use this drill/driver. And with the packaging, make sure that you recycle what you can, and what you can't recycle, make sure that you dispose of properly. Okay guys, this is the instruction manual, and make sure that you read through all of this information before you charge the battery or before you use the drill/driver. And here is the drill/driver, and I'll talk more about this shortly. But I just wanted to give you guys a first look at this. Here is the battery charger, and here is the battery. So I'm going to start charging the battery, and then I'll be back and I'll talk some more about the drill/driver here. Okay guys, so I have the wall charger plugged in, and what should be happening when I plug the wall charger into the battery is it should be flashing green to let me know that the battery is charging, and then when it's fully charged, the light should be solid green. Here's the light right here. But what's happening is I'm getting a flashing red, which is this one here. And that obviously is not good. And I haven't had this problem with the other Black & Decker 20 volt products that I have. So I'm going to try this one more time. One thing that I noticed too is when I plug the wall charger onto the battery, it seems to go on tougher than the other 20 volt products that I have. So this one might be defective, and I might have to send it back. And I'm just going to try one more time here. I'm going to hold on to the battery with one hand, and then with the other hand I'm going to slide the wall charger onto the battery. Yeah, you can see it's flashing red. So I'm going to take the wall charger off and unplug the wall charger. And I'm going to have to send this one back, but we can still take a look at the drill and the features that it has. Okay, well, that's a bummer. So what can you do though? You know, I mean, I'm not going to mess around with a bad battery, but we can still look at the features that the drill has. So it comes with a bit here. Okay, so I'm going to take the screwdriver bit out of the back of the drill, and when you do this, you want to be careful because there are pinch points. And on this one at least, the screwdriver bit is fit in very tightly into the back part of the drill / driver here. I've already taken this out and it's in there tightly. So just be careful when you take this out and when you put it back in because there are pinch points. Okay guys, and whenever you install a bit or remove a bit from the drill / driver, you want to make sure that the drill / driver is turned off and that the battery pack is removed. And in this case, I never even got to install the battery because as we just saw, there's some issue with it. So I'm going to hold on to the back part of the keyless chuck with one hand, and then I'm going to turn the keyless chuck this direction, like this, to open up the keyless chuck. Okay, and then I'm going to take the screwdriver bit, and I'm just placing that into the keyless chuck, like this. So I'm just going to hold on to the back part of the keyless chuck again, and then I'm going to turn the front part of the keyless chuck this direction, just like this, until the screwdriver bit is secured into place. And I'm just making sure that that's tightened down all the way. Okay, and then this is the torque adjustment collar, and there are settings from 1 to 10. Plus on this side there is a drill setting, and it's whatever setting you're at is right up top here, where the number or the drill setting matches up with this line here. So currently it's at 1. And there are different settings, 1 through 10, plus that drill setting, and there's the drill setting there. And I'm just holding on to the drill / driver grip with one hand, and then I'm going to just rotate the torque adjustment collar to the different settings. And you just adjust it to whatever setting you want. There are 10 different settings plus the drill setting. So currently it's on 10, and then to go to the drill setting, now it's on the drill setting. And it just depends what you're working on, what torque adjustment collar setting you're going to want to use. So, and I'm just going to turn this one back to 1. Okay, so here is the trigger switch, and unfortunately I'm not going to be able to test the drill / driver out, but what it talks about in the instruction manual is the further that the trigger switch is depressed, the speed of the drill / driver will increase. So it's supposedly variable, but I won't be able to test that out. Okay, so this right here, and you can see it on both sides. Like here it is on this side, here it is on this side. This is the forward reverse control button. And when it's in the middle, like it is now, it's a lock feature for the trigger switch. So when it's in the middle, the trigger switch should be locked. Okay, and then if you push it all the way one direction, this would be forward or reverse. I just don't have a way to test it out. And then if you go the other direction, I'm going to go back to the middle first. And then the other direction, this would be forward or reverse. I just don't have a way to test it out. And then I'm going to put this back to the middle. And when you move this, you just want to be careful to keep your fingers off of the trigger switch. There we go, it's back to the middle. And then I'm going to take the drill bit out of the keyless chuck. And I'm going to put it back into the holder on the back of the drill here. And like I said, I don't know, on this one it's really tight. I don't know if that's normal on all of them, but on this one it's very tight. So just be careful because there are pinch points. Okay, so it's kind of a bummer about the battery. I don't know what's going on with it. I'm gonna have to send this back. I'm not able to test the drill out. But the purpose of this video anyways was more of just like an unboxing and an overview. Hopefully you don't run into the same issue that I did with the battery. I'm kind of bummed out about the battery situation and that I have to send this back now, but I don't, you don't want to mess around with that stuff. It's obviously a bad battery, or potentially the charger, who knows. I bought this as a new product and I want everything to work like it's new because it was. But in this case, the battery is, or the charger, one of the two has some type of issue with it. So I'm not able to give a full review, but hopefully talking about the different features that the drill has, and seeing the issue that I ran into, hopefully that this was helpful to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.